Welcome back, guys. So today we have here is some bacon wrapped pretzels. Yep, I saw this and I was like, I like pretzels and bacon wrapped on them. So this was a Pit Boss recipe that I saw and a video popped up and I was amazed, like, wow, I never thought about that, but something we can try. Let's go ahead and give this a try. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so the thing is, this is going to be pretty simple. It's going to be a quick process too. So we have our Snyder's Wrapped Pretzels that I got, and we got some smokehouse bacon. And then the rub we're going to be using is the Meat Church Honey Hogs Barbecue. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys give us that subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot of great things coming up this summer. A lot of good things. I'm really excited for it. Now, this is a perfect thing. If you guys having a party, a little get together, and you want to bust out with something that probably a lot of people haven't seen. This is probably gonna be the go-to right here. So you grab one thing of bacon and we're gonna go ahead and give it a wrap. So one thing of bacon is enough to cover this whole thing. Look at that. So we're gonna do the same on all of them, and we'll do one more so you guys can see, and then do the rest. And it's pretty easy. You turn it around, and there you go. All right, we'll do the rest and we'll be back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap all of these. Now we're gonna be using a honey hog barbecue. The video that I saw, they used brown sugar and pepper, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this honey hog. But you guys can use brown sugar if you guys want instead. Let's go ahead and make it rain. We're not gonna be putting too much, just enough. Go ahead and turn it around and then continue just like that. Alright, so we are ready. Before we get into the whole thing, I just want to make sure you guys remember the sale for this Temp Spike Plus 50% off is still going on. So if you guys haven't got one or checking it out yet, go ahead. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. So we're going to go ahead and transfer these to one of these. Having this makes it so much easier to transfer things. Ever since I got this, I love using this a lot. Alright, so you guys are wondering how we're going to cook this. The video that I saw, the Pit Boss did it at 350 degrees in his head. It took about 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Pit Boss Pro Series to 350 degrees, and we're gonna put them in there, and I'm gonna put the timer to 30 minutes. Come back, these should be ready. Now I am excited to try it because I've never tried this before, but it looked cool. And I'm curious for you guys. I'm curious to know what you guys are thinking so far. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this so far. Do you guys think it's gonna be good before we actually try it? That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. Alright, our Pit Boss is at 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and add these in here. And we're going to put the timer exactly 30 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, it's been exactly 30 minutes. And let's see how they're looking. I would say they need another 10 minutes. Back. All right, we came back, we let it there for an extra 10. Now that look like they're ready. 40 minutes total. Look at that. We'll be back. All right, guys, so here you have it. Before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright guys, so before we get into this, I have some new links in the description. I added 3 links. One that's going to go straight to the grill that I have, the 1150 Pro Series. I also put a link that goes straight to all the pellets that they have. I just ordered the special edition. It's the spring collection, the spring edition, so I'm excited to get that. Should be getting that in the next couple of days. Excited to try that. They use ranch for dipping sauce. You can use any kind of dipping sauce you guys. You can use barbecue sauce. I actually have honey mustard. For some reason, I just thought honey mustard would be really good with this. So let's go ahead and give it a try. And this one is calling my name. Ooh. Dip it in honey mustard. Now, the added brown sugar, I would say from 1 to 10. 10 being good, 0 being nasty. I like the idea. I think a 7 will be where I would give it. Oh yeah, 7.5. I mean, not bad. Like I said, we're doing a little get together and you want to bust out something new. I mean, the thing is not bad at all. For some odd reason, I thought the crunch was still going to be there from the pretzel. 7.5. That's what I rank this. Would I do it at a get together? Yes, because it's cool. You know, I know my family's never seen this. They'll be like, "What is this?" And they'll be eating it, and they'll eat this. Let me know down in the comments what you guys will think about this. If you guys like this idea, if something you guys will try, or if there's something you guys are gonna add to this. If you guys think adding something else, maybe adding the barbecue sauce and then throwing them in there, maybe that. There's different possibilities that we can use in different ways we can make this better. So I'm curious to find out in the comments what you guys think about this and what would you guys add to it, or the dipping sauce. But you know, not bad. Like I said, I can see him being in the party and being like, oh, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. We got more great things coming. We're gonna try new things. Everything's gonna be simple and easy for you guys. I'll see you guys next time.